Good morning, standard 8 student on Moscow Academy. Listen here. So I last class I completed the probability. I hope you enjoyed that chapters. You have given the test also. Now today I am going to start the new chapter, chapter 13, factorizations. So in factorization there are 6 exercises. Right? So one more point, it will be given in the question examination factorize. But which way you will factorize, that you will come to know when you will seriously solve all the exercise. Because different ways there to factorize. So first exercise is to take the common. Like first question, 15x plus 5. How many terms are there? So terms means which is connected by plus and minus, not by multiplication and division. Only connected by plus and minus. If this is plus here, so two terms are there. If we write here into y, then also two terms because multiplication sign is there. So term which connected with the plus and minus is known as the term. So 15x first question plus 5. Now we have to take a common one. So take the common, there is a rule. What? First you see the digit. Here first term 15, second term 5. 15 and 5 divided by which digit? Completely. So 5. So digit which is all the digit which is divided by the single digit, that one as a common. So since 15 and 5 divided by 5, so 5 will be common. So when we take the 5, then give the bracket here. What is left here? So 5 3 is 15, so 3 is left. And one x is also here, so x also. And plus sign is there, put the plus sign. Now 5 is taken common, so what is left here? Only 1. This is our answer, factorization. Now to check, multiply, you have studied in 7, how to multiply. Multiply this bracket and see whether it is coming, quotient is coming same or not. If quotient is coming same, means you are correct. So plus plus plus, 5 3 ja 15x plus 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 5 1 ja 5. The quotient is coming same. It is correct. So this is the way to take the common. So first of all, you have to identify the terms. Then second question, a cube minus a square plus. How many terms are there? 3. Because minus sign plus sign. So altogether there are 3 terms. Now all the 3 terms, what is present? We take the common which is present in all the terms. If it is not present in all the terms, we cannot take the common. Here a is present in all the terms. So first condition, a present in all the terms, so a will be common. Now what a? A1 or a square or a cube. What will take common? We will take the common which is present in all terms and their minimum value. So here a cube, here a square, here only a. So minimum value is a. So a we will take common. So a common, then give the bracket. What is left here? A2 is left. What is minus sign? Minus. How many a left? 1a. Then plus sign plus. A is already taken commons. So what is left here? 1. This is our answer. Okay. Next. Two x cube b square minus 4x 5 b4. Question number 5. Now how many terms are there? Again 2 terms, minus sign. Now 2 and 4. 2 and 4 is divided by 2. So 2 will be common because 2 present here also, 2 present here also. Because 4 is also divided by 2. So 2 common. digit taken. Now come to variables. Here x, here x also. X present in both, so x will take common. But what is the minimum value of x? The minimum value of x is x cube. Because here x cube, here x square. So x3 is minimum. So x3 is common. Then b square and b4. B is present in both the terms. So what is the minimum value of b? B square. So b square. Hey. So what is left here? Here left 2 already taken common, x2 taken common, b square taken common. Nothing left here. So write 1. Nothing left means 1. Then minus sign. Now 4 here, 2 taken common. So 2 to the 4. So 1, 2 is left here. x2 taken common. Here x5. So 3 already taken. So 2x is left. Here b square taken common. Here b4. So b2. This is our answer. 8. One more question. Question number 6. 15x4 y cube minus 20x cube y. So 15 and 20 divided by 5. So 5 is a common. So 5 common. X here. But the minimum value of x is x3. So x3 will be common. Y present in both the terms. Here y cube, here y. But the minimum value of y is only y. So y common. So what is left here? So 15 here, 5 taken common. So 5 3 here, means 3 is left. x4, x cube taken common. So 1x left. Y cube or y taken common. So y square left. Minus 5 4 is 20. So 4 here digit. Then x cube taken common. So x nothing left about x. Y already taken. So only 4 is left. This is our answer. One more question here. Then after that you have to do the practice without taking help of anyone. A cube b minus a square b square minus b. How many terms? 3 terms. Now see, a present in all the terms. No, a is not present in the third term. Right? So we cannot take a as a common. The common we take which is present in all the terms. So a here present in first term, second term, but in third term a is not present. So we will not take as a common. About b here, b here, b here. B present in all the terms. So we will take b as a common. Now, what is the minimum value of b? b1, b2, b3. So b1 minimum. So b will be only common. Then what is left here? Here left a cube minus a square b and minus b square. This is our answer. Thank you very much. You have to, as a homework, you have to solve the question 38 from 1 to 8. 8. Do the maximum practice so that in further when you will go the next exercise, it will become very easy when you will do the practice honestly. Thank you very much.